Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to make spicy tomato gin and tonic. I found this recipe 1 or 2 years ago on the Candid Appetite website and I was willing to give it a try. And a couple of months ago, during the Spice on the Rocks challenge, David from Bulls on the Rocks made this recipe and I was like, damn, it took me way too long to find fresh dill. However, I finally managed to get some dill, so I really am curious to give this recipe a try and share it with all of you. So what we need to do is we take our glass of choice, and before we do anything else with the glass, aside in a plate we need to mix 1 part coarse salt with half a part of cayenne pepper and half a part of coarsely grounded black pepper, and we need that in order to rim the glass. I'm gonna do that, cut in a line. Okay. And I have the spices here. Okay, I think that should be enough. And now we go to the fun part. For the recipe, we're gonna need 1/4 cup of cherry tomatoes. Now I don't have enough space. So then you cut them in half and drop them inside the glass. You can find different shapes and different colors. It's really up to you. Ta-da. Okay, I assume that will be enough. I put 1 more. Okay, so we put the tomatoes inside our glass, and now we're gonna need to add 1 bar spoon of dill. And then we're gonna need 1/4 of a lime. Okay, I have the 2/8 of a lime that I used. Okay, also 1 or 2 dashes of Tabasco. I prefer to use the smoky version compared to the regular one. And the same 1 or 2 dashes of Worcestershire Sauce, or if you know how to pronounce it, just let me know. And now we're gonna muddle all this. David's recipe code also for jalapenos. Mine is just as it is. You will get enough spiciness from the Tabasco. And to that we're gonna add 1 ounce of gin. I'm using London Dry style gin. And we're gonna add some ice. And we're gonna top everything up with 2 ounces of tonic water. You don't need to pre-measure, but it's really up to you. I will gently mix everything. Now all the tomatoes are on the bottom. Okay, and to garnish I will add some dill, don't run away, I will add a lime wedge and a cucumber slice. So that is how we make the spicy tomato gin and tonic. Let's give it a taste. Wow, it's I didn't know what to expect. I was super excited because of the tomatoes and the dill and all the coarse, but I was not sure if I will like it, because it's kind of a complete meal. If you're on a diet and you want to maybe reduce, that's the perfect salad in a glass. It's really tasty, it's really fresh, and the only negative thing, if I need to look for something negative, is I think it can knock you out quite fast, because it enters so easily. By the time you are finished with your 8th one, maybe you are unable to stand up. But the gin and the tomato, the dill and the spices from the Tabasco and from the sauce really mix together and give a great result, at least in my opinion. I totally recommend it. I think it's a wonderful drink, and if, for example, for me, after a couple of more sips, I will think if I need to add a little bit more of the sauce to slightly adjust the saltiness. But considering that you have salt on the rim, maybe that will be enough to make it, from a salt point of view, perfectly balanced as well. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.